Today I'm going to show you how to get the most gorgeous brows in 3 easy steps using the Brow Bar by Reema Brow Makeover Kit. This kit is going to take away all of your brow troubles and make it super simple for you to do yourself. Every morning my brows start out looking like this. They're pretty thin, they don't have a lot of shape, and I use the Brow Makeover Kit to transform them into these gorgeous full brows. One of the amazing features of the Brow Makeover Kit is that it is all in one. You have your brow powder, the concealer, and a brow mascara to hold everything together. The kit comes in light, medium, and dark, so everyone can transform their brows. It's incredibly easy to use, and once you learn how, you'll be able to do your brows in minutes. Let me take you on this journey to get the brows that you have always dreamed of. Step 1 is powder. So we are taking the angled brush that comes in the kit and tapping that into the lightest shade. And with light strokes, you'll start at the inner end of the brow. You're simply filling in your brows, and the powder makes it really easy to do. As you are losing product on your brush, you can start fading your brow as you move toward the center. We've done about half of the brow, and now we're going to pick up the darker shade and do the tail end of the brow. Tap the darker color of powder onto your brush and fill out the tail end of your brow, and also fill in any areas where you have a little less brow hair. After we've completed the powder step, we move on to the concealer that is included in the kit. This is the step that is going to make it look like magic. So we'll take this flat end of the brush and go ahead and get some product loaded on. This flat brush is going to make it really easy to draw a smooth line and sculpt your brows. Go ahead under the brow with the concealer and then blend it out with the brush and your finger. And you can lightly go over the top of your brow to define it even more. And this final step is my favorite. I'm taking the little brow gel out of here, and you open it up and it looks like a little mascara wand, but it has brow product on here. And we just lightly comb through the brows with the spoolie, and this will brush the brow hair upward and hold them in place and give it a little extra definition. With 3 simple steps of powder, concealer, and brow gel, you are going to have beautiful transformed brows every time. With the Brow Bar by Reema Brow Makeover Kit, you are going to have the fullest, best shaped brows. Go on this transformation with me with the Brow Makeover Kit.